All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something pretty cool. I've got the Ruisha light case right over here with me. I'm gonna check out the look, the sound, and the feel of this bad boy. If you want this guy, just get it on fablades.com. There's some in stock, and it's a pretty cool one, guys. If you like to have your lighter in a fancy case, which is fidgety as well, this is the way. I mean, this guy comes in a nice hard pelican kind of style case with a pluck and pick and pluck foam. Comes with an extra spare screw, Loctite, Torx key to do what I'm gonna show you in a second. And let's check the weight first of this guy, because it's gonna add a little bit of weight, not too much. We are in the 97, 98 gram ballpark for this guy. And if you're wondering how big this guy is, look at this. We get like the longest, it's 39 millimeters. And the length is 65 with the width of 28, let's say, millimeters. So it's not that big. I mean, if you have a lighter for scale, it's going to be something like that. So how does it work? What is it? This is a fidgety lighter case. It's a fancy one, maybe even tactical if you want. And it just allows to carry like a lighter, but as you can see, it doesn't go all the way down because there is a set screw right over here. So you're going to have to grab something like this, like a screwdriver with a T6 bit, and then you're going to be able to just lock your lighter in place. It's not going to be able to go anywhere because that screw is just jammed in and just catching the lighter, which is not falling and going anywhere. So you get your lighter, you're good to go. It's pretty, you have this groove over here, which you're going to pretty much hold it like so, and it's fine. You know, it's grippy, it's not slippery, it's not going to go anywhere. And where's the fidgety part? Well, you get a pretty nice and clicky and strong slider to the side, right? You have like that. This is just the grip where you just push it down, snaps back in place, but also beside being a slider and fidgety, this is also like a wind protector for your flame. So it kind of adds a little bit of a shield right over here, as you can see, and also protects this side of the lighter, like from becoming when it becomes hot, like from you to touch that. So, you know, it's a shield. And also has a nice lock right over there. So just to keep that in place, you disengage and boom, this thing goes back. But it's not over, because right over here you get a nice and clicky wheel. Not really haptic. This is more like a kind of safe kind of wheel, and you get that smoking kills engraved on the back, the number, because this is a limited edition. There's this is 93, of course. And if you just get like a T8, you can take this apart, and on the inside, if you get like something like this, like a flathead screwdriver, right? Inside, you can just take it apart, remove the screw, and you're gonna see that there is like a bearing going on right there, and you have these two balls, which if you remove, you're gonna end up, sorry, with a spinner, right? So let me see if they just, you see, you just remove them like this. They're just in place, and you're gonna get just a spinning thing, right? I like it that is clicking, so I would leave it like that. But if you prefer like a quiet operational toy, you just remove those, put them in the case, and you're gonna end up with just a spinner. So pretty simple thing to do, and it's a nice added value. I mean, some people they prefer noise, some people they prefer quiet toys. So you get you can get both. Oops, just smacked down a light, but it's okay. Here you go. Pretty cool overall. Tactical lighter holder case, titanium. It's stone washed. You see the milling lines. You get Ruisha EDC engraved on this side, V-2 on the other side. It's nice because it shows your lighter color. So there's a nice couple windows. Tritz insert on this side only. And yeah, you get yourself something pretty cool. It's not cheap, but it's nicely machined, ammo designed, Ruisha made lighter case. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.